Hello students, this is Dr. Sagarika Mahanta Das. Let's start with the basics of grammar today. We need to do parts of speech. Traditionally, we have all studied that there are 8 parts of speech, basic types. We categorize English words in 8 basic types, which are called parts of speech or word classes. And those are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. But of late, another part of speech have been added to this category, and that new entry is determiners. Determiners are also considered to be parts of speech in English language. So as I have already named the 8 parts of speech, now one more we need to add, that is called determiners. What are the functions of the parts of speech? It is very important that we must recognize the parts of speech, because this helps us to analyze sentences and understand them. And it also helps us to construct good sentences. The part of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. Only when we can identify the words to which part of speech they belong, we can find out the meaning of the word as well as how they fit in the sentence grammatically. So the knowledge of parts of speech is very important to construct good sentences and also to get the real meaning of the words also. An individual word can function as more than one part of speech when used in different circumstances. So this is very confusing, Only when you know the parts of speech well, then you can identify that sometimes a word can be used, a single word can be used as different parts of speech. For example, after. Generally, what do we think? That after is a preposition. But after can be used as an adverb also, and after can be used as conjunction also. In the sentence, for example, they arrived soon after. In this sentence, after is working as an adverb. He takes after his father. After his father. So here, after is taking the place of preposition. He went to the US after he finished his studies. And in this particular sentence, after is used as conjunction. So only when you understand the parts of speech, then only we can understand how the words are functioning as different parts of speech. Understanding parts of speech is essential for determining the correct definition of a word when using the dictionary. So these are the benefits of knowing the functions of parts of speech.